Welcome to the step 6 of the solar system activity. So now we have already learned how to add planets, how to move planets around the sun, and how to add moons to the planets, right? So now let's start building our actual solar system. So what we are going to do is we are going to start by adding the first 2 planets of our solar system. Our solar system contains 9 planets. Well, 8 planets, and there's Pluto that is sometimes considered as a planet and sometimes not. But currently it's not being considered as a planet, so 8 planets. Okay, so the first planet from the sun is called Mercury. So you can add this block that says add Mercury at a distance of 6 units from the sun. So 6 units from the sun is going to be very close. You can see 6 is going to be very close to the sun. So Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. So we are going to say add Mercury at a distance of 6 units from the sun. Now, what we will do is, once the Mercury is added, we are going to make this Mercury move around the sun, right? So we are going to use this move Mercury around sun in 5 seconds, okay? So these 2 blocks basically are going to add Mercury and move Mercury around the sun, all right? So now the second planet is called Venus, okay? Now Venus is actually the hottest planet in our solar system. Even though Mercury is the closest one to the sun, Venus is the hottest planet. That's because of the planet's composition and the gases present in the planet. But we're going to add this Venus planet using this add Venus block. So click on this add Venus and drag it and place it here. So we are going to say add Venus at a distance of, now we know Earth is at a distance of 15 and Mercury we are placing at a distance of 6. So Venus should be somewhere in between 6 and 15, right? So I'm placing Venus at a distance of 9 units from the sun. You can change the distance to whatever values you want. Now, once we have added Venus, let's make Venus also move around the sun. So let's drag this move Mercury around sun block and place it below add Venus again. And this time, change this Mercury to Venus. So we are going to say move Venus around the sun in, well, not 5 seconds, but I'm going to say 7 seconds. Okay, so Mercury moves fastest around the sun and Earth moves around. We are giving the Earth a time of 10 seconds to move around the sun again. So somewhere between 5 and 10 seconds is what Venus will take to move around the sun. All right. So what we are going to do now is you will see the moment you click on the green play button, you have the 2 planets and they are moving around the sun. But let's add some additional interaction in our game, okay? So you will see that we had some new blocks on the right side, sorry. So you'll see that earlier we were placing the let Earth say block and let sun say block inside the when green play button click, right? But now we have these new blocks that say when mouse hovers over Earth or when mouse hovers over Mercury, when mouse hovers over Venus. So what these blocks are doing is, these blocks are going to run whenever your mouse moves over the planets. Alright, so we are going to say that when the mouse hovers over the Earth, then we will make the Earth introduce itself. Alright, now similarly, when the mouse hovers over Mercury, we are going to make the Mercury planet introduce itself. So we are going to say that when mouse hovers over Mercury, let Mercury say, hello, I am Mercury for 4 seconds. And we will say that when the mouse hovers over Venus, let Venus say, hello, I am Venus. Okay. And now when you run your game, you will see that when you move your mouse over these planets, then the speech bubbles appear on top of them. See, I'm going to click on keep playing and you can see that as I move my mouse over the planets, then I'm seeing the speech bubbles appear with the text that you have written. So we have added this mouse interaction in our solar system as well now. Okay, let's move to the next steps. So you will see we did not add any moons for Mercury and Venus. That's because Mercury and Venus do not have any moons. Earth is the first planet from the solar system from the sun to have a moon. Okay, now let's move to the next step.